Hi again, this is your study coach Shuri, and this is the 11th video of the anatomy and physiology. So let's start. Okay, next question. The brain stem is made up of the following structures: medulla oblongata, pons and midbrain, medulla oblongata and thalamus, pineal gland, meninges and spinal cord, or the medulla oblongata, pons and pineal gland. And the answer is medulla oblongata, pons, and midbrain. So medulla oblongata helps to control vital processes like the heartbeat, breathing, and blood pressure. The pons relays and regulates the signals that gives the sensation of pain from anywhere of the body below the neck, and the midbrain regulates eye movement and pupil dilation. It also involves in regulating muscle movement and motor control. Next question. What is the best definition of anabolism? The chemical process that happens in the organelles of the cells, the breakdown of complex molecules in living organisms to form simple ones with the release of energy, the synthesis of complex molecules in living organisms from simple ones together with the storage of energy. And the last one is the chemical process that happens in the cell without ATP. So the answer is the synthesis of complex molecules in living organisms from simple ones together with the storage of energy. Next question. Where are the kidneys located? Are they either side of the spinal column in the lumbar region underneath the rib cage, on both sides of the spinal column in the lumbar region above the rib cage, on right and left upper quadrant of the abdomen, or above the liver and behind the pancreas? And the answer is either side of the spinal column in the lumbar region underneath the rib cage. So the function of the kidneys is to remove the waste products from the blood and produce urine. Next question. What is the longest bone in the body? Is it the tibia, the fibula, the radius, or the femur? So the answer is the femur. Femur is the same as the thigh bone. It is the longest and strongest bone in the body. The head forms a ball and a socket joint with the hip, that is the acetabulum. They are held in place by a ligament within the socket and by strong surrounding ligaments. Next question. Where are the respiratory centers? Are they in the medulla oblongata and the pons? Are they in the cerebrum and pons? Are they in the hypothalamus or in the cerebellum? So the answer is they are in the medulla oblongata and the pons. The medulla oblongata is the lowest part of the brain and the lowest portion of the brainstem. It is connected by the pons to the midbrain and is continuous posteriorly with the spinal cord, with which it merges at the opening at the base of the skull. Okay, next question. What structure is created by fertilization? Is it the oocyte, the zygote, the eggs, or the gametes? And the answer is the zygote. Zygote is the fertilized egg cell that results from the union of female gamete, which is the egg, with a female gamete, which is the sperm. It is the first stage of pregnancy. It is located first in the fallopian tube and moves towards the uterus. As the zygote travels, it divides to give rise to cells that will undergo mitosis. Then the zygote will transition into an embryo that will be implanted in the uterus. Next question. What is myology? Is it the study of the structures and functions of the muscles? Is it the study of the abnormal changes in the body functions? Or is it the study of the structures of organisms and their parts? Or is it the study of microorganisms, viruses and bacteria, algae, fungi, molds, and protozoa? So the answer is, it is the study of the structures and functions of the muscles. It also deals with the study of diseases of the muscles. Okay, let's go to the next question. What are the primary cells of the lymphatic system? Are they the lymphocytes, bacteriocytes, erythrocytes, or nucleocytes? And the answer is the lymphocytes. Lymphatic system is a network of delicate tubes throughout the body. The primary cells of the lymphatic systems are lymphocytes. There are three types of lymphocytes. They are the T cells, the beta cells, and NK cells. NK means natural killer cells. Next question. What is the protein that fills the outermost dead cells of the epidermis? Are they the grandstein, dermin, melanin, or keratin? And the answer is keratin. Next question. The average person has how many parathyroid glands? 2, 4, 6, or 8? So there are 4. Parathyroid glands are two pairs of small oval-shaped glands located on the postural aspects of the thyroid gland. So there's 2 pairs, so that means there's 4. They are flattened and oval in shape. Each gland is usually about the size of a pea. Their function is to make the parathyroid hormone, PTH, which regulates the amount of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus in the bones and the blood. Next question. Where does most of the absorption of nutrients occur? Is it in the small intestine, large intestine, in the pancreas, or in the stomach? So it's in the small intestine. So a small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. There are 3 parts of the small intestine. So that's the duodenum, jejunum, and the ileum. It helps to further digest and absorb nutrients and water from the food that we eat. Which of these vitamins is essential for blood clotting? Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin E, or vitamin K? It is vitamin K. The body needs both vitamin K to produce prothrombin, which is a protein whose role is for blood clotting, regulating blood calcium as well, and bone metabolism. Vitamin K also facilitates energy production in the mitochondria of the cells. Next question. What is the normal pH of blood? Is it 6.5 to 7.5, 7 to 7.35, 7.35 to 7.45, or is it 7.45 to 7.8? So the normal pH is 7.35 to 7.45. So the normal pH of arterial blood is 7.4, while the pH of the venous blood is about 7.35. Arterial blood has slightly higher pH because it has less carbon dioxide. So this is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you with your studies in anatomy and physiology. Make a comment or request for more topics that you would like to see. Thank you and good luck.